When we have definite integrals, we do not need to add c, and what we do is use upper limit and lower limit to evaluate this. It says find question 1a part x cube from 2 to 5, and we are integrating it with respect to x. So when we integrate, what happens? We increase power by 1 divided by new power, and from 2 to 5. So we substitute the upper limit first, 5 raised to power 4 by 4 minus the lower limit 2 raised to the power 4 by 4, and we get 625 by 4 minus 4, and that is 609 by 4 unit square. That actually gives us the area under the graph between these two limits, x2 and x5. Let's see question number 2a. It says integrate from 1 to 2 by x cube plus 3x dx. So I'm going to bring x in numerator first. 2x minus 3 plus 3x dx. Now I'm integrating. So 2x raised to power plus 1 divided by the new power plus 3x power plus 1 divided by the new power from 1 to 2. Simplifying before plugging in the values. This is minus 1 over x square plus 3x square over 2 from 1 to 2. So upper limit 1 over 2 squared plus 3 into 2 squared by 2 minus the lower limit minus 1 over 1 squared plus 3 into 1 squared by 2. So let's simplify. This is negative 1 by 4. 2 times 4 by 2 is 2, 3 times 6 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So 6 minus 1 by 4 is 23 by 4 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 and this is 21 by 4 unit square. Number 5. Use calculus to find the value. So we just have to simplify. Simple integration from 1 to 9. This is 2x minus 3 square root x dx. So I'm writing it as 2x minus 3x raised to the power 1 by 2 dx, and from 1 to 9. So integrate 2x square over 2 minus 3x power plus 1 3 by 2 divided by new power, and from 1 to 9. Before we substitute the values, I'm going to simplify. 2 goes with 2, this becomes x square, 3 with t minus 2 x raised to power 3 by 2, 9 and 1. So upper limit 9 square minus 2 into 9, 3 by 2 minus the lower limit 1 square minus 2 into 1, 3 by 2. 9 square is 81 minus 9 square root is 3 cube, 27 into 2 is 54 minus 1 minus 2. 81 minus 54 is 27 minus 1. So final answer is 28 unit square. Okay, look at question number 6. Evaluate this, giving your answer in the form a plus b square root 3. So we have to keep it in the exact form. Question number 6. Question says from 4 to 12 and 2 over square root x dx. And we have to keep the answer in the form a plus b square root 3. So we write it as 2x raised to power negative 1 by 2 first dx, and from 4 to 12. So integration 2x power plus 1 makes it 1 by 2 divided by the new power from 4 to 12. Simplifying, this becomes 4x 1 by 2 from 4 to 12. Upper limit 4 into 12 square root minus the lower limit 4 into 4 square root. I'm using calculator. 4 square root 12 gives me 8 square root 3 minus 4 into square root 4 is 2, that is 8. So the answer is minus 8 plus 8 square root 3 in the desired form. Let's see if we have some different questions. Okay, area under the graph. The concept is same. We integrate and we put the limits. For example, we have this f of x and you need to find the area from, let's say, x7 to x9. So we just integrate this and put the limits from 7 to 9. That will give you the area under the graph. Bounded by the graph and these two limits, it will give you this shaded area. As this example shows, find the area of the finite region between the curve, this curve which is already drawn, and the x-axis, and it intersects at minus 5 and 4. So these are our limits. From minus 5 and 4 we integrate it and substitute the limit and you will get the area under the curve. For example, question number 1, find the area between the curve, the x-axis and the line x is equals to a, where in case it is given a and b. So it is from 1 to 3, x1 x3. So whatever this is, I can see that's a side face. So let's say it looks like this, and from x1 to x3, wherever it is, this is suppose x1 and x3. So we are going to find this shaded area. So you just integrate it and use those two given limits 1 to 3. So area of the graph f of x integrating dx, limits are 1 to 3 will give us the area. So from 1 to 3, this is minus 3x square plus 17x minus 10 dx. So minus 3x cube over new power plus 17 power plus 1 over new power minus 10x over 1 from 1 to 3. This 3 goes with this. This is minus x cube plus 17 by 2x square minus 10x from 1 to 3. So upper limit plus 17 over 2 into 3 square minus 10 into 3 minus the lower limit. So we substitute 1, negative 1 cube plus 17 by 2 into 1 squared minus 10 into 1, and we simplify. Minus 27 plus 17 into 9 by 2 is 153 by 2 minus 30 minus 1 plus 17 by 2 minus 10. So this gives me 39 by 2, and on the other hand 17 by 2 minus 1 minus 10 gives me minus 5 by 2, which will turn into positive number, and 39 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is 22. unit square. Any confusion?